on the operations in Kupwara, Kalarush forest of Rangat Hill. It was conducted last night by our troops in close coordination with Jammu and Kashmir Police and Ind agencies, where 4 local Al-Badr terrorists have been apprehended. The terrorists apprehended have been identified as Umar Bashir, 23 years, and Umar Ahmad Sheikh, 21 years, both resident of Chutipura, Handwara. Wasim Ahmad Khan, 22 years, resident of Kargama, Handwara, and Tariq Ahmad, 22 years, resident of Khuru, Handwara. These 4 had recently announced they are joining on to the terrorist organization and had also posted on various social media sites with weapons.